So students, are you ready? Note down 10 words. I am giving you 10 words because today no questions I am giving you. When I will complete the poem, then on the basis of the complete poem, I will give you questions. Then you have to solve. So first I decided to give you 5 questions, but later I have decided that you solve 10 words, not questions. 10 words. You search 10 words. 10 meanings from these 10 words I am going to give you. So first word, that is hunch. H-U-N-C-H. Hunch. Slouching. S-L-O-U-C-H-I-N-G. Slouching. 3. Languid. L-A-N-G-U-I-D. L for lion. L-A-N-G-U-I-D. Languid. 4. Mermaid. M-E-R-M-A-I-D. Mermaid. 5. Drifting. D for dog. D-R-I-F-T-I-N-G. Drifting. 6. Tidy. T-I-D-Y. 7. Orphan. O-R-P-H-A-N. Orphan. 8. Acne. A-C-N-E. Acne. 9. Tranquil. T for toy. T-R-A-N-Q-U-I-L. Tranquil. Because Amanda, the clue I am giving you, Amanda, she was wanting to stay amidst tranquility, in a tranquil place, on the top of the tree where the witch, she made a cottage and she had kept this girl, that Rapunzel. The name of the girl is Rapunzel. She had kept the girl, young beautiful lady Rapunzel, that on the high, the tower it was built. So it was a tranquil atmosphere. So tranquil. And 10 is sulking. S-U-L-K-I-N-G. Sulking. So guys, these are the 10 words. So you search the meanings of these words from dictionary, from mobile, from wherever you want to. Note down all the meanings of this word. And after that, when the school will open, I will definitely check your copy, the meaning, and hope you have understood the content of the poem. Amanda, a rational poem of the poet Robin Klein, and through this poem she has conveyed a message also. Later on I will tell you what message she has conveyed to the readers. So till then, students, stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.